right, so for question 4, we are using what we know about sulfuric acid to find out what we need to know about potassium hydroxide. And so what we're given is that we have 0.01 liters of H2SO4, and that is in 0.250 molarity of H2SO4. And so to find the moles, you're going to multiply these two. And I'm going to tell you how I figured this out. So if you remember from class, the molarity formula is M equals mole over liters. And so when you flip this around to try to find the moles, you would multiply by the liters, multiply by the liters. These cancel out, so you get moles equals molarity times liters. So when you do the liters times the molarity, you're gonna find the moles. So when you do this calculation, you should come to the conclusion that 0.01 times 0.25 equals 0.0025, and that will be moles of H2SO4. And so now what we're going to do is use these moles to find the moles of the KOH. So to start, we're just going to do 0.0025 moles of H2SO4, and using that balanced equation that we're given, we're gonna write moles of H2SO4 because this is what's gonna cancel it out, and then we're gonna use moles of KOH because that's what it's asking for here. And so these are gonna cancel, and then we're gonna find the coefficients from here. So we're gonna have 2 here, and then we only have 1 here, so we're gonna do the 0.0025 times 2. And so that will give us the moles of KOH. And so what we're gonna do is get 0.005 moles of KOH. And then to find the liters, we're gonna use this same problem. So if you use this one, for example, to find what liters would equal, you divide by n, these cancel out, and liters equals moles divided by molarity. So now that we have the moles, and then we also get the molarity from up here, we're gonna do the moles divided by molarity, so this many moles, and the molarity is gonna be the same, M of KOH. So when we do this, we're going to do the 0.005 divided by 250, sorry, and that's going to give us 0.02 liters. And then you may be wondering, oh my gosh, 0.02 is not an answer choice. Did I do this wrong? No, you did not. This is in liters, and the answer choices are in milliliters. So all you have to do is 1, 2, 3, because you're multiplied by 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So you can move that decimal place 3 times to the right, and that is going to give you 20 milliliters. And when you look at the answer choices, which are on the next page, you see that 20 milliliters is a correct answer choice, and you have solved the problem.